how to mute notifications for a contact in Signal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to mute notifications for certain contacts in your Signal app? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your Signal app and then you just need to slide the conversation that you want to mute to the left, and then you can see the mute option. Just tap on it, and then you can mute this chat for few hours, a day, 1 week, or always. Just tap on the option that you want to, and then you can see there is a bell icon with a cross. That means the contact has been muted and you won't get any notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.